Back one day from Jamaica and a blizzard hits. After the jam at Island Village and at Bob's Mausoleum, it's a soldier jam, snow jam upon arrival with me and Drew, the Admiral Abramowski, on drums. And during this blizzard, there's going to be a jam. There might even actually be a little reggae played here tonight in honor of the return of the trip.
Oh man, I died on the bass. Are you on the phone? Wait, tape.
As the blizzard of 2010, the second blizzard of 2010 hits, the plows are across the street, the fire trucks, the firemen are over there plowing. Looks like we're working a couple of feet of snow here, maybe about a foot of snow actually. And there goes Lifer. Out in force tonight for power outages. But of course we have our power here tonight. This is Dr. Hempenstead reporting from Fretboard Corner with the Admiral live during the blizzard of 2010, the second blizzard. One day after returning from Jamaica in the sunshine and filming down there. We're up here for the snow jam. The snow jam, toe jam. The snow jam, toe jam. Of course, the Admiral's truck with his plow that's stuck to the road, so that everywhere he goes, he's free of charge plowing. He is actually going to get paid for plowing this parking lot. We're going to force it. We're going to force it out of the Ed Clark and out of the Barber. Here he is, ladies and gentlemen, the Admiral coming out once again. Right, one more salute, Admiral. Looks like, oh yeah, this is good. Once again, blizzard conditions. Once again, blizzard conditions at Fretboard Corner.
This was down.
This was
to
down
the blacktop.
to the top.
Okay, so this is like another half an inch inside of what?
We would have been screwed if I would just
Inside a half
lock the
an
door
hour's
because I left my keys in there.
time. 1/2 an hour's time. Oh yeah.
Once again, courtesy of Fretboard Corner TV. Everybody canceled today. A few didn't show up. Screaming Pete was going to show. This guy by hand turning his plow. He's going to be out there tomorrow, kicking some ass. Kicking some old ladies' driveway's ass.
Hello, Squire.